What is the length of AT? We just answer that. The length of AT is 3 units. How did we get 3 units? By simply counting how many spaces from A to T, or subtracting the x-axis. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Now let's take a look at the next question. The next question is asking us, how can you find the length for MA? MA, remember M was here at the bottom. I believe, let's go back and look at the coordinates for M. The coordinates for M was 2, 2, 1. So my x-axis is 2, my y-axis is 1. So now let's go and look at the question. If I want to find the distance between MA is making a vertical line. It's going up and down. So now, if you look at MA, they have something in common. What do M and A have in common? If you look at their points, if you look at their coordinates, what do they have in common? They share something in common. Exactly. They share the x-axis. Both of the x-axes are exactly the same. So therefore, all you need to do, you need to subtract the y-axis, which is 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. So therefore, the distance between M and A, or the length of M and A, is equals to 4 units. For those who didn't understand this, let's go back to the coordinate planes, and then we can look at it together one more time. So now, look here, MA. You want to figure out how long MA is. They're asking you for the length of this line. In order for you to figure out the length of this line, just simply count from this point, which is right here, to this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 units. Let's count again together. From here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 units. So therefore, MA, the length of MA is equals to 4. It's 4 units. MA. Now, I want you to ask yourself, what would the length for MH be equals to? And how would you find the length for MH? Pause the video and ask yourself, what is the length for MH? Using the same strategies that you just learned, finding the length for AT, the length for MA. Now, I want you to ask yourself, I want you to challenge yourself. Find the length for MH and also find the length for TH. All right? Pause the video and then come back to the video and then continue. Now that you're back in the video, let's look at this question. Now this question is asking us, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Well, the perimeter of this rectangle is very, very easy. After you find the length for MA and the length for AT, what you're going to do is you're going to find the length for MH, as I asked you in the video, and as well as the length from TH. Once you find the length for those, you're just going to add them up. So I'm just going to add 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. That would give me my answer of 14 units, because 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 again is 7. 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. So the perimeter of my rectangle is 14. Now, let's take a look at this question. How can you find the vertical distance between 2 points on the coordinate planes? Let's look at it vertically. Let's look at it on the picture. Vertically means up and down. How can you find the distance between this point and this point? Well, we just answered that question earlier. In order for me to find the distance between M and A, I already know M and A share the same x coordinates. They're both x is 2, x for this one is 2. The difference between M and A is the y coordinates. So I will simply subtract 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. So whenever I want to find the distance between two coordinates that are aligned vertically, right? Meaning two coordinates that are aligned vertically, I'm just going to subtract the y-axis. 5 minus 4, because I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1, which is equals to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance between M and A is 4, or the length of M and A is 4. Go back to the next question. How can you find the horizontal distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane? Horizontal meaning from left to right or right to left. All right, so same thing. I'm just going to do the opposite. You will subtract. So horizontal, since they are sharing the same y coordinates, you will subtract the x axis. For those who don't understand what I'm saying, let's now go back and look at it at the picture. How can I find the length of A and T, or the distance between A and T? Well, as you all know, as we stated earlier, A and T shares the same y coordinates. The y coordinates for A was 5. The y coordinates for T was also 5. So all I need to do now, I need to ask myself, what are the x coordinates for A? The x coordinate for A was 2. The x coordinate for T was 5. So therefore, I would just subtract the x coordinate, 5 minus 2, which is equals to 3. That will give me the distance of AT. So AT, the length of AT is equals to 3 units. 3 units. All right? So this is how you find the distance between 2 points that lies on a horizontal line. 3 units. So I then ask you to complete these 2 problems by yourselves, all right? These 2 points lies on a vertical line. So now go back to the video and then ask yourself, how would you find the distance between these 2 points? Look at these 2 points. These 2 points lie on a horizontal line. How would you find the distance between these 2 points? Once you find the distance between the 2 points, answer your question. Make sure you explain your answer thoroughly. If you do not understand, go back in the video. Make sure you watch the video entirely. Replay the video so you make sure that you understand what the question is asking you. I will see you guys tomorrow.